Stop clicking that checkout button for just a second. I want to talk about that shiny watch that keeps popping up in your social media feed. You know the one. It looks like it belongs on a yacht or in a high-end boutique. It has those clean lines and that heavy gold tone finish. But the price tag says something completely different. This is the world of Maison Vora watches in 2026. It is a brand that lives right on the edge of luxury and fast fashion. You have to ask yourself a very simple question. How can a company offer that specific high-end look for such a low price? The answer is usually found in the materials and the manufacturing. These are not handcrafted pieces from a prestigious workshop. They are mass-produced fashion accessories. That is not necessarily a bad thing if you know what you are getting into. The problem starts when the marketing makes promises that the product cannot keep. This brand uses a lot of psychological tricks to get you to pull the trigger. You will see big banners claiming huge discounts. There is often a timer counting down to make you feel like you are missing out. This creates a sense of urgency that overrides your common sense. In reality, those prices are likely the standard price they always charge. It is a strategy designed to make you feel like you just won a prize. When the watch actually arrives, the experience is a total toss-up. Some buyers are thrilled. They wanted something that looks good on their wrist for a night out. To them, the watch is a success. It looks like the pictures and it keeps time. But the more experienced collectors see the flaws immediately. They notice the weight is a bit light. They see that the strap feels a bit stiff and synthetic. The movement inside is usually a basic battery-powered engine. It works, but it lacks the soul of a mechanical watch. Then there are the reports of inconsistent quality. You might get a perfect one, or you might get one with a crooked dial. Shipping is another area where things get messy. Some orders arrive in a flash. Others seem to vanish for weeks at a time. If you try to reach out to customer support, you might get a helpful person, or you might get an automated bot. This creates a lot of frustration for people who spend their hard-earned money. So is it a scam? Not exactly. You are paying for a product and they are sending you a product. But is it a luxury watch? Definitely not. It is a budget accessory dressed up in a fancy suit. If you go in with your eyes wide open, you might be happy with your purchase. Just do not expect this to be a piece you pass down to your grandkids. It is built for the moment, not for a lifetime. If you want the look without the cost, Maison Vora might be your speed. Just be prepared for the reality behind the shiny filter. You are buying a look, not a legacy. If you can live with that, then the low price might actually be worth the gamble. But if you are looking for true craftsmanship, you should probably keep saving your money for a brand with a real history. The flashy ads are great at catching your eye, but they do not always tell the whole story. Wear it if you love this style, but do not be fooled by the marketing hype. It is all about managing your own expectations before you hit that confirm order button. Think of it as a piece of costume jewelry. It serves a purpose, but it does not have the depth of a true luxury item. The box it comes in might look nice, but the metal underneath the plating is likely a much cheaper alloy. If you bang it against a table, it might not survive the impact. That is the trade-off you make for that low price point. Always do your research.